Hi there, I'm Eric. During this course, I'm going to be leading you through the basics of data visualization with Python. You may be wondering, why should I learn data visualization? And why should I use Python? And why this course? Why data visualization? Today, data is more important than ever. Every day we generate more data than all of the data that existed in the year 2000. It drives our business decisions and fuels scientific innovation. And one of the most important ways we communicate data is using visual tools, like charts, graphs, and tables. Even for a data scientist, raw data is hard to understand. It's just a list of numbers. But you put that same data in a chart, and we can quickly understand the trends and patterns in that data. So, using visualization, we can make the best decisions based on the data available to us. So now, why Python? When we want to visualize our data, we have two options. We can use an out-of-the-box tool like Google Analytics, or we can program our own solution. When we use an out-of-the-box tool, it makes it easy to do easy things. However, when we program our own solution, we can do anything, easy or hard, with simple or complex data. I like to program my own solutions because I like the freedom and flexibility it provides. Now, when it comes to choosing a specific language, normally I am a C++ programmer. However, when it comes to data science and visualizing my data, Python is my go-to language. The Python language provides a vast array of libraries that we can use for visualizing our data. And it has a strong community which has all the support I've ever needed when I need to reach out for help. So, why this course? What will you get here that you won't get anywhere else? Personally, I've been using data visualization techniques for over 20 years. I've worked in many different scenarios. I've worked with people ranging from high school students to college professors. I've taught first-time programmers how to develop their own mobile applications. And I've worked with researchers trying to find new ways to understand their data. I've also partnered with companies like LG, Microsoft, and Intel to experiment with new technologies and teach these new technologies to people. Finally, I'm pretty well acquainted with Python and data visualization, which means that I can help you to understand all the advantages that Python has to offer for visualizing your data. Over the course of these lessons, we'll start with some basic statistics. We'll look at the mean, median, and variance, and understand the meaning of these numbers and how they are properly used. Additionally, we're going to look at a couple of libraries, like NumPy and Pandas, and we're going to use these libraries to do some indexing, slicing, iterating, filtering, and grouping of data. We'll look at multiple ways to visualize our data, and then we'll compare these so that you have the tools to select the best techniques to represent your data. We'll explore different libraries for plotting our data. We'll compare Matplotlib and Seaborn so that you know the differences to find the right tool to make the plot you want. Finally, once we understand the basics, we'll move on to more advanced techniques. We'll look at geospatial plots with Geoplotlib, and then we'll learn how to make interactive plots with Bokeh. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to turn your data into beautiful visualizations. We will be using real data to learn how to use the visualization tools and techniques that Python has to offer. So if you want to master data visualization, join this course. I hope to see you in Lesson 1.